Okay, friends, let's start with our warm up for our skills lesson, and we're going to begin with oral blending. Oral blending, and remember, oral blending is when we take our segmenting fingers and we blend those sounds together to make a word. Okay, so let's start with three sounds. That should be easy because we've been doing that. Ready? L, E, G. Let's do it one more time. L, E, G. Let's blend those sounds together. Leg. And what word did we make? Leg. Good job. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay. L, ah, g. One more time. L, ah, g. Let's blend those sounds together. Log. And what word do we make? Log. Awesome job. Okay, so now we're going to add four sounds. So how many fingers do we need to add to make four? Yes, we need to add one more. So now it's getting a little bit tricky because we're doing four sounds, but that's okay because we do it the same way. Okay, you ready? K, L, ah, g. Let's do that one more time. K, L, ah, g. Okay. Now, let's point to each sound because I know these are more sounds. So let's point to each sound that we say. Ready? K, L, ah, g. Let's do it one more time. K, L, ah, g. Let's blend those sounds together. Clog. And what word do we make? Clog. Good job. Okay, let's try another one. Ready? K, L, ah, t. One more time. K, L, ah, t. Okay, now let's point and say the sounds. Ready? K, L, ah, t. One more time. K, L, ah, t. Now let's blend those together. Ready? Clot. And what word do we make? Clot. Awesome job. Okay. Now let's try one more. Now we're going to add an extra sound. We're going to add one more. So if we add one more, how many sounds are we going to have? Five. Five. Okay. Let's do it. Ready? K, L, ah, t, s. One more time. K, L, ah, t, s. All right, now let's point and say the sounds. Ready? K, L, ah, t, s. One more time. K, L, ah, t, s. Now let's blend all of those sounds together. Ready? Clots. One more time. Let's try that again. I know that's a lot of sounds. Clots. And what sound do we make? I'm sorry, what word? Clots. Awesome job. Okay, now these next words that we're going to blend are parts of a tree. Okay, now as we blend these sounds together and we say the words, I'm going to be showing you those parts of the tree on the tree that we have here. Okay, ready? So I'm going to stand up. Ready? Let's hold up our three segmenting fingers. Ready? And t, r, e. One more time. T, r, e. Okay. Now let's blend those sounds together. Tree. And what word do we have? Tree. Good job. Okay. Now this one has four sounds. So let's hold up our four segmenting sounds. Fingers. Ready? L, E. Ready? One more time. L, E. Okay. Now let's point because there's extra sounds. We have more sounds now. Ready? L, E. One more time. L, E. Okay. Now let's blend those sounds together. Ready? Leaves. And what word do we make? Leaves. Okay. Leaves. These are the leaves. Okay. Let's go to our next word. Let me move this out of the way so she won't trip or fall. Ready? Next word. This word has four sounds. Ready? T, I, G. One more more time. Twig. Now let's point and say those sounds. Ready? We're going to segment. Ready? Twig. One more time. Twig. Let's blend those sounds together. Twig. And what word do we make? Twig. And this is the twig. Can you say twig? Twig. And twig is the small little piece of branch that the leaves hang on to. Okay? Let's go to the next word. Ooh, this word has 5 sounds. Okay? So we're gonna point. We're gonna point this time because that's a lot of sounds. Ready? B, r, eh, n, ch. One more time. B, r, eh, n, ch. Okay, make sure you're not saying b. It's b. Really quick. Okay, ready? Let's try it one more time. Segment. Go. B, r, eh, n, ch. Now let's blend those sounds together. Ready? Branch. What do we have? Branch. Okay? And this is a branch. And if you notice, a branch is larger than a twig. Okay? All right, here's our last one. And this one has 5 sounds as well. Okay? This one has 5 sounds as well. Ready? We're going to point. Ready? T, r, n, k. One more time. T, r, n, k. Last time. T, r, n, k. Okay, let's blend those sounds together. Trunk. What do we have? Trunk. Okay, and this is a tree trunk. Okay, give yourself a round of applause for blending those sounds really well. Kiss your brain. Awesome job. All right, so now we're going to review the letter sounds that we've been going over with our letter sound cards. Okay, so Miss Blanks is going to show you the sound, and you're going to tell me what sound you see. Okay, ready? And awesome job. Ready for the next one? Ooh, what sound is this? Make sure your tongue is at the top of your mouth. Awesome. T, good, really quick. T, not t, okay? Because when we say toy, do we say toy? No, we say toy. Good. Ooh, what's this one? B, really quick, b. Make sure it's not b, not b. Good. What about this one? K. Awesome. Good job. What about this one? K. Awesome. And if you notice, both of these make the sound k. Did you notice that? Awesome. All right, let's go to the next one. This one. G. Awesome. Good job. Y'all are good at this. What sound is this? Awesome. What about this one? Make sure your lip is going under your teeth. Awesome. Ooh, what's this one? Good. What about this one? Awesome. Ooh, what's this one? Not p. Okay? Real quick. Because when we say pig, do we say pig? Nope, we say pig. It's just p. Good. What sound is this? Awesome. What about this? You. Real quick. You. Not ya. Just you. Good. Ooh, what about this one? This one's easy. Yep. Awesome job. All right, so now we're doing our vowel sounds, and remember to do the gestures. What sound is this? Ah, ah. Good. Oop, Miss Blanks had this one upside down. Sorry. What sound is this? Uh, uh, uh. Good. Oh, what's this one? Yes. Ah, ah, ah. Good job. What about this one? I, I. Yes, good. And last but not least, eh, eh. Awesome job. All right, give yourselves a round of applause. Pat yourself on the back. Kiss your brain. Did an awesome job.